A drone strike on a United Nations facility in Sudan has resulted in the tragic deaths of 6 Bangladeshi peacekeepers. This incident has raised significant concerns about potential war crimes, as the attack targeted a peacekeeping logistics base in the city of Kadugli. The UN Secretary-General has condemned the attack, highlighting the escalating violence in the region and its implications for international peacekeeping efforts. In Syria, an ISIS attack has led to the deaths of 2 U.S. soldiers and a civilian, prompting a strong response from President Trump. The president has vowed serious retaliation, underscoring the ongoing challenges faced by U.S. forces in the region. This attack further complicates the geopolitical landscape, as the U.S. continues its counterterrorism operations in a volatile area. Meanwhile, tensions between Ukraine and Russia have intensified following a drone attack on a Turkish civilian ship. Ukraine has accused Russia of the attack, which has escalated the ongoing conflict between the two nations. This incident adds another layer of complexity to the already strained relations in Eastern Europe, with potential repercussions for international trade and security. Turning to the markets, NORTHROP GRUMMAN, ticker symbol NOC, has seen a significant rise in its stock price, driven by its involvement in next-generation defense programs. The company's strong performance is bolstered by a recent boost in defense spending, which has positively impacted its financial outlook. NORTHROP GRUMMAN stock is currently trading at $569.76, up 1.74%, reflecting investor confidence in its strategic initiatives. L3Harris Technologies, ticker symbol LHX, has secured a $200 million contract for rocket propulsion systems, enhancing its production capacity in Arkansas. This contract represents a major milestone for the company, as it expands its capabilities in the defense sector. The deal underscores L3Harris's role in advancing military technology and its potential for future growth. KRATOS Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, has opened a new facility in British Columbia dedicated to engine overhauls. This expansion highlights KRATOS's commitment to enhancing its aerospace technology footprint. Despite the positive development, the company's stock has dipped by 3.58% to $75.96. as investors weigh the long-term benefits of the new facility against current market conditions. Rheinmetall, ticker symbol RHM.DE, is benefiting from a strong European defense posture, with its stock rising by 0.84% to $1,616. The company's performance is supported by increased defense spending across Europe, which has bolstered its market position. Rheinmetall's strategic focus on defense technologies positions it well to capitalize on future opportunities in the sector. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, has experienced a positive impact from the L3Harris contract, with its stock climbing 1.13% to $480.25. The contract's adjacency to Lockheed Martin's operations highlights the interconnected nature of defense industry contracts and their potential to drive growth across multiple companies. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. NORTHROP GRUMMAN benefits from defense spending, suggesting potential for continued stock appreciation. 2. L3Harris's propulsion contract indicates growth in military tech, a sector to watch. 3. KRATOS's facility expansion may offer long-term gains despite short-term stock pressure.